Maybe you are a working parent who has just stopped working in order to spend more time with your child and improve their developmental skills. Are you looking for ideas on how to improve the emotional connection with your child so that they are learning with you in a more fun and happier way? The topic we are talking about is parent-child relationships. Parent-child relationship is a unique bond that is between a parent and a child, which focuses on nurturing the child's development in emotional aspects, in physical aspects, in cognitive aspects, and all areas of development. Early parent-child bonding is supposed to be the foundation for future decision making, personality, behavior, and all other aspects of life. So, this early time with your child is so precious because it is going to help your child become better, stronger, competent individuals. I am going to give you 3 tips, and at the end of the 3 tips, I'm going to give you 5 activities that you can do with your child at home in order to strengthen your parent-child relationship. The first tip is that we are trying to form a bond. So if you think about it, a bond is formed when two objects are close and they are close together for a certain period of time. So this requires that you spend more time with your child as well as that you are close to your child when you do this. So this closeness again can be in terms of physical closeness as well as intellectual or emotional closeness. For activity ideas on how to do this bonding, keep on watching. I will give you activities ideas towards the end. The second criteria for bonding is that it has to be mutually enjoyable. What do I mean by this? It means that the activity should not be something that only you like or only your child likes. It has to be mutual. That is, both of you should feel happy, enjoying, and fun in this activity. The third tip is a very simple tip that you have to make sure that during this parent-child bonding activities, you are laughing or at least smiling. So both of you, that is you and your child, has to laugh or smile. That is a good cue that your child is enjoying this activity and this bond is formed and strengthened. Okay, now before we go ahead with the 5 tips, I just want to remind you that in my channel, I already have a video on parent-child relationships that I will link here. You can check that out if you want some more information on parent-child interaction, where I go into detailed research-based steps that you can follow. Now the first activity is to eat together and to clean the house together or to take walks together or wash your face together or take a nap together. You see where I'm going with this. You don't only have to find specific times to work with your child or to play with your child. Instead, you can use everyday opportunities, everyday works to involve your child and do things together. The second way is to have a massage time. What I mean is have some 5 to 10 minutes a day, preferably a few hours, like 2 to 3 hours after food, where both of you massage each other. Children love to be massaged, and you can also teach them to take care of you by asking for a massage or helping them massage you. And if the old ways of massage is boring with just hands, then you can use anything at home like a ball or a ring or some soft toy that you can use to massage your hand or your neck or your head. The third activity is to listen to heartbeat. Yes. So as a parent, it's between you and your child. Sit together in a safe space and you can listen to each other's heartbeat and take turns. Keep your ear near their chest and say, "Oh, what do you hear? What is that?" Tup, 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 tup. So you can make it fun for your child to listen to you and to also try it out with you. The fourth activity is to do reading time. So it doesn't matter if your child does not know to read yet or does not know alphabets and words yet. It doesn't matter. But you have to instill the idea of spending time together with another person using a book. So that is the idea that we want to instill in our child. So you will take 5 to 10 minutes a day, preferably before sleeping. You just take a book and use animated voices and faces to explain the things in the book and the pictures. If you want more detailed explanations on how to use storybooks to teach children developmental communication skills, then again check out the video in this link. The fifth activity again is more physical activity, involves physical bonding, wherein you do things that you can add to your body. Like you could keep a hat on your head and then act like it's your birthday. You can take a marker, draw a mustache and act like a grandpa or uncle or somebody. You can again take some paint and draw glasses on your child's eyes and then keep them in front of the mirror and draw on your face also and see what is this glasses. So you can do different activities like this, which involves doing things to the body where both of you, mother or father and the child, are involved in doing this together, preferably in front of a mirror. Try these activities and let me know in the comments if it has been useful to you, so that if it is useful, I can make a part 2 on how to do bonding activities with your child. Until then, bye.